How do woodpeckers not get a concussion when they peck? They can peck a tree up to 20 times per second and typically peck up to 12,000 pecks per day. Woodpeckers repeatedly whack their heads against trees with a lot of force. They hit their heads with a force 10 times that of a concussion-inducing football tackle. So how can woodpeckers peck with so much force without injuring themselves? Well, a woodpecker's anatomy is specifically designed to absorb this force and prevent the woodpecker from getting injured. Its specialized beak and skull direct most of the energy associated with this force into the rest of its body, so its head only takes a small percentage of the force. This protects the brain and prevents concussions or injury.